One of the most important things when using any lure is to have a good understanding of what the triggering characteristics of that lure is. So when I'm in the summertime, I like to use, any bait that I'm using, I'll bring close to the boat, especially in clear water, and I'll take a look and see exactly what that lure is doing in relation to how I'm working my rod. In the wintertime, it's no different. Whether I'm using a camera or just dropping it down the hole, I want to have a good idea of exactly what that lure is using. So in this case, we've been using these Shiver Minnows, actually the new fat bottoms, and this bait actually really glides out a lot more than the original Shiver Minnow. So that's a big triggering characteristic. The problem with that lure is it's moving so fast out side to side, it's good at getting the attention of a fish, but I know that I need to stop my rod tip and hold it steady and let that lure kind of wander back to center, and that's the actual trigger that gets the fish to bite. So next time you're out on the ice, take the time to really understand exactly what each lure is doing, for how hard you're working it, and then understand that on a lure like this, you're going to probably want to hold it still and let it kind of creep back to center to give that fish a chance to bite it, and I think you're going to catch a lot more fish.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.